Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming the essential prerequisites. Advance far enough in the story to open evening free time and ensure the tower character is available. Once done, seek them out during an evening at the dorm or designated location and initiate the first conversation. When prompted, choose the supportive or curious dialogue options to start the social link. This increases affinity quickly. Make sure to bring a small gift or offering if the game accepts presents. That often guarantees the scene will trigger and the link will begin. Continue by consistently meeting the character during their available times and engaging in every interaction. You want to pick answers that reflect their motivations, be empathetic if they are vulnerable, challenging if they respect strength. Once done, allocate free days to their scenes rather than other activities. Social link progress requires repeated contact. If the game offers gift or action mechanics, use items that resonate with their personality to secure larger rank jumps. Make sure to finish any intermediate event scenes, but to finish, schedule the remaining meetings to reach the final rank event well before the game's end. This usually requires a last decisive scene where you make the critical choice. If the link fails to progress, verify you're on the correct date and time window, confirm any story triggers are completed, and check inventory for needed items. If problems persist, reload a prior save from before the problematic choice and replay with the recommended dialogue. One key troubleshooting tip: save often to avoid irreversible missed opportunities.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.